everyone, today we do face exercise. Today we do exercise for beautiful jawline and lifting your face. If you want, you can subscribe and like this video. Thank you. We do face exercise every day. Let's start. that you do always exercise with me today for your beautiful jawline. See you tomorrow.